Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can pay someone using Xero Payroll, so let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Xero login page. If you aren't logged in already, click the login button and enter your email and password. Once you sign in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard, the main place where all your accounting information lives. From the dashboard, click on the Payroll tab in the top menu. This will take you to the payroll section where you'll manage everything related to employee payments. Next, click Pay Employees. Here, you'll see an option to add pay run. Select it, choose the correct pay period for this cycle, and then click Next. Now it's time to add your employees to the pay run. Make sure all employee earnings, deductions, and any other payroll details are entered correctly. This step is extremely important to make sure everyone gets paid accurately. Once all the information looks correct, review everything carefully. If you notice any mistakes, update the details before moving forward. When you're happy with the setup, click Save and Close. With everything ready, go ahead and click Post Pay Run. Confirm the post, and Xero will finalize the pay run so it's ready for the next steps. After posting, go back to the Pay Employees section. You'll see the posted pay run listed there. Select it and open Pay Run Options. From the menu, choose Email Payslips. Check the boxes next to the employees you want to send payslips to, and then click Email Payslips. Xero will automatically send each employee their payslip. And just like that, you've successfully processed payroll in Xero and delivered payslips to your team. This method keeps everything organized, accurate, and easy to manage. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.